Transform your skincare routine with a stunning DIY coffee scrub. Picture a product that not only delights your senses with its rich aroma, but also rejuvenates your skin. Coffee is an incredible ingredient, overflowing with antioxidants that combat free radicals and keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. The caffeine acts as your ally against puffiness, enhancing blood circulation for a fresh appearance. Wave goodbye to lifeless skin. This natural exfoliant sweeps away dead skin cells, unveiling a radiant, glowing complexion. Are you excited to create your own? Gather 1 cup of finely ground coffee, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of creamy coconut oil. Blend these ingredients together, and you'll craft a luxurious scrub that feels like a lavish spa treatment in your own bathroom. The texture is perfectly gritty, and the invigorating scent will awaken your senses. Now, let's indulge. Massage the scrub onto your skin in gentle circular motions, then rinse off to reveal silky smooth skin. We'd love to hear about your spa day in the comments. Did you adore the results? If this tip thrilled you, hit that like button and subscribe for more fabulous DIY skincare secrets. Your skin truly deserves this pampering.